Here's a quick titration problem. We're titrating HCN with KOH. HCN is a weak acid. We know that because it's an acid and it's not one of the big seven. And we could even look up its Ka and find its Ka is 6.2 times 10 to the minus 10. KOH is a strong base, so this is a weak acid, strong base titration. If we write the neutralization reaction, we have HCN reacting with KOH, and our salt is going to be KCN, a soluble salt. It's aqueous, and we're also going to generate water. KCN means in solution, means we have K plus ion in solution, which is not going to react with water. But we also have Cn minus, the conjugate base of a weak acid, and therefore it has some base strength. It will react with water and form an equilibrium with HCN and hydroxide ion. So this we know is going to be a basic salt. So we're going to expect our equivalence point to be basic. Because at equivalence, what we'll have in solution is essentially a solution of HCN, which is a weak base. Alright, the second part of the question, what is the pH halfway to equivalence? Halfway to equivalence, 1/2 of HCN has been converted to its conjugate base. So we have essentially a situation where HCN, the concentration of the remaining acid, is the same as the conjugate base, a balanced buffer. And halfway to equivalence, we have a balanced buffer, and therefore pH is equal to pKa. Because remember this term, the log of the base concentration to the acid goes to 0 because the concentration of the base is the same as the acid. The log of 1 is equal to 0. So pH is equal to pKa, which in this case is the negative log of 6.2 times 10 to the minus 10, which is equal to 9.2076, or with 2 sig figs, our pH is 9.21.